Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Krita, and let's see today how to change the size of your image in Krita. For example, we have an image and it needs to be smaller. You're going to Image and choose in this list Scale Image to New Size. And here you can choose the new size. Everything is in proportions, or you can choose pixels. For example, let it be pixels, and if you have constraint proportion chosen, if you will choose the first one, the second will be chosen in the same proportion. But if it's not chosen, I'm removing this. Then if you will change one, another will stay not changed. For example, like that. Okay, that's it. Thank you.